Alright guys, so today we're going to be using this little nifty thing. It's called the Veggetti. I got this at Ross during a Thanksgiving break. It was $8.99, so yeah. Very little nifty item here to make noodles. Says you can make veggie pastas, veggie salads, potato pancakes, and something else that I can't see because it's blocked by the price tag. So you do want to make sure you rinse this off because you don't know where it was before it got to you or where it was sitting. So I've rinsed mine off. Okay, and it has two sides, guys. So there's a side for thin noodles using this little blade here, or you can use this side here for a thicker noodle. We are going to use the thin side, so I'm going to move the cap over to this side, and you're simply going to place that in there and start twisting. Very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Look at that. Beautiful. So the cap here you're going to use once you get down to a lower zucchini, and you can no longer hold the top of the zucchini. You just place that in there to give you some traction and to hold it, so you're not having to put your fingers near that blade inside there. You finish off and you have this little thing. You can use it for composting, or you can chop it up and put it inside your spaghetti. And you're left with this. Gorgeous. So I'm putting all of my noodles into this big bowl because I'm going to put some oil in here and some pepper, you know, just to season it and make sure it gets all over all of the noodles. And I actually don't want to use all of my noodles for this one recipe, so I'm going to take some of them out and bag them. The never-ending zoodle. Yeah, not a joke, guys. I might have to actually cut this. So I'm gonna throw in a little extra virgin olive oil, just a little, so it'll cook a little faster and better. I'm going to throw in some peppers, frozen peppers. Then I'm going to add my favorite seasonings, a little garlic, some ground pepper, red chili pepper, and cayenne once I get that out. Okay, so this is what I have here. I'm going to throw that on some heat, guys. I'm making a stir fry, so I put a little honey in there because I'm gonna add this, and it just kicks off the dish when you do that. I like it that way. But first, I'm gonna cook my noodles before I put anything in there. Okay, the noodles are cooking right now, and my onions are cooking as well. I put a little extra seasoning in there because I want it to be very, very flavorful. You just want to let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rotate this and let that cook for a little. Let that simmer for about 10 more minutes, and then they're going to be good to go. And I have my shrimp here. All I put in there is a little bit of lemon juice, as well as a little honey, because you know I like that flavor. And then I have some Baja citrus marinade. You can put that type of seasoning powder on any salmon, seafood, or chicken. So that gives you a few options if you like different types of meat and don't like seasoning individually. Look at those. Look at them. I just threw them right into the pot after I took the noodles out. So nice little glaze. Dinner is served. A nice, spicy, healthy feast